Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade V2020, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and look for the screen recording toggle, which for me is right here. Once you find it, simply tap on it to start recording. It will automatically start the countdown. Oh, no, never mind, we do have to press on the circle to actually initiate the recording, at which point we'll start recording. So from here, everything you do will be recorded, mine as well. Any content that you're trying to record, for instance, from like Netflix, that won't be recorded. At least the sound will be, but the image will not. But any kind of other app will be recorded. So if I, for instance, open something like a dialer as an example, this will be recorded, messages as well. Now, anyway, once you're done with the recording, simply click on the square right here, stop the recording, and this will get saved to your photos. And here it is. I'm gonna mute it. So as you can see, that is the recording. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.